Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art lab. I have set a really fun challenge for my Patreon group this month, and it is all about pearl pours. I'm teaching a couple of classes at the Fluid Art Experience Conference in Asheville, North Carolina next month, the end of May. And after I teach my classes, I am assisting Sarah Taylor in her classes, and she is a master at pearl pours. So I've invited her to be our guest artist this month. Her video will follow mine, but there's an entire train of people in my Patreon group who have YouTube channels. So follow along in the playlist, which will be in the video description. And at the end of this video, I'll include photos from the Patreon members who don't have channels. So stick around to the very end so you can see what they've come up with. I have mixed up some pearl mix. This is 2 parts US Floetrol, 1 part Chrome Acrylic Essentials, and 1 part DecoArt Satin Enamels. And then I have thinned this out to a very, very thin consistency. It does not leave a mound at all. I'm only using 1 color today because I'm experimenting. That's what an art lab is all about. I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. So I'm gonna go very minimal. Usually when I experiment, I try and use as few colors as possible, 2 or 3. So I'm going black and white, monochrome, and I have an idea that I want to try. I think it will work, but we will see. This black is Golden's Fluid Acrylics Carbon Black. So I'm going to put down a base coat of the pearl mix, and we'll pour this over top, tilt it out till it covers the whole canvas. Hopefully there will be some pearls showing, and then I'm going to do something a little bit different. Let's see what happens.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush
Well, I think I got my pearl mix correct. Look at all those pearls. Wow, that turned out super cool. And I know the trick to pearls is not just in the ingredients, it's in the consistency. The thinner you can get it, the bigger and puffier those pearls get. And look at the sides. I love the way it kind of models on the side as it drips down. And I love my balloon dips. Look at that. How cool are these? I love the ones especially here in the center. So cool. I had to dip that one a couple of times to get more of a round shape. That was where the black was the deepest. But the ones out here in the outside edges, I love the way they disrupt the pattern. And it's very subtle, but I love subtle. Really cool. Look at this one right here. Ooh, that's pretty. That one too. So nice. I love these. All right. So now let's see how this dries.
Like just yesterday out in the yard, there on our backs where the sky was so dark, watching the satellites passing like dust in the air. And speaking of planets and distance and time, I reached for your hand and you reached for mine, and I knew then wherever you were, I would want to be there. Your eyes seemed to cast a mysterious spell. I felt the uprising, a furious swell, while the black blink in the sky above us kept counting the days. And there in the darkness we sat drinking wine. Will I have your heart and will you have mine? While holding back thoughts of a lingering history pain. What will become of us? Song you